delivery by good right hand to the head. Panulitan, deflected left hand by
Approach the final 10 seconds of this round.
in your time, as you see. Good right hand. Good right hand again by
Kalimitan nga sa mga Pinoy nating boksingero mga idol, sila ang dumadayo sa bansang Japan. Kaya naman, hindi may iwasan na maging dihado ang ating pambato pag ang resulta ay humantong sa kamay ng mga hurado. Kaya naman nito lamang June 29, 2024, isang undefeated na hapon nga po ang buong tapang na dumayo sa balwarte ng Pinoy na tubong Balamban, Cebu na si Jason Canoy Manigos na pambato natin sa featherweight division. May kartada ang hapon na si Kakeru Mashimo na 8 panalo, 6 may tinapos via knockout. Samantalang ang ating kababayan naman ay may kartadang 28 panalo, 11 may tinapos nito via knockout at may 12 talo na. Bagamat marami nang ang talo ang ating kababayang ito mga idol, ay hindi maikakaila na palaban talaga itong Pinoy na ito. Katunayan yan ay marami na nga pong undefeated boxer ang nakalaban ng ating pambatong ito. Isa na nga dito, ang nakasagupa nito na si Luis Pantera Neri. Kaya naman ating balikan mga idol, ang laban ng ating kababayan kontra sa undefeated na hapon na si Kakeru Mashimo.
Omega Boxing, he was also present at the 15. Jason Canoy Manigos, the veteran, previously he upset then undefeated. This veteran is very dangerous and Mashimo should be very careful against this veteran.
The body and then going inside the head. Very good uppercut to the midsection.
Known his intentions early on in this fight.
Good strategy here by Manigos. Immediately going.
Uncomfortable as much as possible by pressuring and cutting the ring.
Manigos. Now Mashimo has Manigos against the ropes. 2 hooks to the head by Mashimo. Very good defense there by Manigos, and then was able to sneak in that uppercut in the midsection. However, very good offense here by Mashimo.
Good uppercut by Manigos.
Another very good uppercut by Manigos. However, he was very open for that left hook. More uppercuts from Manigos. Another hook by Manigos.
Manigos is showing this young kid that old man strength, Franco.
And he's hitting him with that uppercut. Maganda yung uppercut sa gitna ni Manigos. Pumapasok sa mukha ni Mashimo. Hindi lang siya dapat makikipagsabayan dito. Kasi, syempre, mas malaki, mas matangkad si Mashimo eh. He needs to get out of that corner.
There you go.
Another uppercut by Manigos.
But Manigos needs to be careful.
Now he has the Japanese in trouble.
And
We're seeing blood.
that's right, early on in this fight. And this is a good strategy for Manigos, no? Because he's connecting with that uppercut. I told you, this guy is not a scrub. And
You have to rely on that old man's strength. Now he's pushing Mashimo to the limit.
and the very first round at that, Manigos, uppercut again. Body shot by Manigos.
Formula, do the same thing, keep pushing the face.
Absolutely right. Kasi if you are Manigos, your strategy is already working. So you have to maintain the pressure. This is an opportunity that he needs to take advantage of. Double hook from Manigos. But Mashimo's right there. And moments like this will show you what a fighter is made of.
How he deals with adversity.
Absolutely.
The veteran in Manigos he can definitely take the punishment. Now it's just a matter of sustaining his offense.
And the big question here, Franco, is how much damage did Manigos make? And diba? And
Kung ano yung magiging long-term effect nun. Kasi
That's right.
this is going to be for 8 rounds.
but Kakeru is hanging on in there and he's still fighting toe-to-toe against Manigos. I don't know if that's a good strategy. There you go. Manigos is very powerful with those counter shots.
Manigos has to throw combinations. Can't rely on that one punch na akala niya siguro babagsak kasi every time he throws in that uppercut, ibabawi naman sa'yo ni Mashimo 4. Diba? He can't be careless. He can't be too careful as well. Jab straight there by Mashimo. Now he's picking up the pace, fighting at mid-range.
Good recovery by, good right hand by Manigos.
Just when you thought na medyo may deep breath si Manigos, pag bumato ng ganun, nabubuhayan ka eh.
Right.
Overhand right by Manigos.
All it needs is one punch to change the fight, Franco.
Medyo good body shots by Manigos. Huwag ka lang Manigos. Good straight to the body.
And I think he hurt Takeru with that, in that exchange. But Takeru comes
Now he has Manigos against the ropes.
taking a breather, it seems. But the uppercut once again is there, and left hand from Manigos. Caught Takeru by surprise right there.
Good strategy here by Manigos, attacking the body and finishing without. More than anything,
Good body shot by Manigos.
mas kailangan ni Manigos yung break na to. He needs to recover. Mashimo is from Yokohama Hikari Gym. Manigos is representing Asturias Boxing Gym. Eventful first round for Manigos. Nakabawi ng konti si Mashimo in the second round. Let's see how these fighters will perform in the third.
Franco Mashimo's nose has been bleeding profusely since that first round, no? Courtesy of those uppercuts from Manigos.
And Manigos himself to get pinned against the ropes. And as much as gusto niya makipagsabayan, he wants
Good
to
left
counter, hindi pwedeng hihintayin na yung mga suntok na gano'n. Kasi every time Mashimo, diba, throws combinations, minimum.
Good right hand. Absolutely right, Franco.
Overhand right there by Manigos, followed up by that vicious uppercut. So far, no answer for Mashimo dun sa mga uppercut ni Manigos.
Good right hand. I think Mashimo got hurt.
He is wobbled. Mashimo is wobbled. His side. Good shot to the body. Another uppercut right in the middle for Manigos.
And body shot by Manigos.
Very good body shot
Takeru took it well though.
in this round. Another uppercut there by Manigos. Ano?
I think Takeru needs to talagang you have to give
Very
credit
impressive.
to the matchmaker, no? And good flurry by Takeru.
Good head movement there.
The punches by Manigos seems to me deals damage.
Good overhand right by
Just like
Manigos.
that.
Another good left hand there by Manigos.
Japan. Good combination.
Those ng attacks ni Manigos. You know, he goes to the body, goes to the head.
And I got caught there. This is a opportunity for Takeru to shift the momentum in his favor.
Very aggressive punches here by Kotaro Mashimo.
But Manigos did very well evading those punches, no? And now it's his turn.
Napapahinga siya ngayon. Good hook to the head by Manigos.
Halfway. Good combination by Manigos. I think Takeru is hurt. He's not answering right
Manigos
now.
throwing everything. Throwing everything at the head. Kotaro Mashimo. Now he's urging the Japanese fighter to
And the Japanese fighter, what a veteran is, down.
tap. Setting up that uppercut in the middle.
Good defense from Manigos.
But Mashimo wants to go back to the body. Patiently waiting for that uppercut.
And there you go.
Good
Like we said
by
earlier,
Manigos.
Manigos fights in spurts. But when he does, it's effective. Left hand by Manigos.
Very good left hand by Manigos.
Receive yung punishment pa because he's been taking a lot of damage in this fight. Good left hand from Manigos. There you go again. Left hook.
Two left hands by Manigos.
Right hand by Manigos.
Power
Double left hook.
Power shot after power shot. Jones is on another level of energy. Good job there by
Good
Manigos.
combination by Manigos.
More left.
Range. And yung timing. as you see. Great combination by Manigos, and Kakeru is on his turtle shell right now.
It's a fifth round.
Good uppercut by Manigos.
What a way to end this round, John! To throw those hooks and those uppercuts sa gitna.
And now, pakilala agad si Manigos eh. Good combination from Manigos.
Punch combination there to the jaw of Takeru Mashimo.
Missed with a
Only sa 10 seconds. Para lang yung dalawa to.
good short left hand.
There's advantage.
And for those watching, what Manigos has been doing is the perfect example of what your game plan should be against a taller opponent.
Final minute of round 7. Four punch combination to the body. Mashimo still pushing forward.
Good right hand by Manigos. Left hand from Manigos.
Ending as we approach the final 10 seconds of this round.
Beautiful combination by Manigos.
Nagbubuhos na naman po si Manigos.
Giving a whole new meaning to wala ng bukas.
I hate to be the judges for this fight. I mean, all you score the impact. Minute 40 in the 8th.
They're running on fumes right now
on
from
fumes. Emptying the gas tank. Manigos pushing forward.
slip a little bit
Manigos goes back.
by Kakeru.
What an onslaught from both these fighters. However,
Good left
Mashimo
hand by Manigos.
getting a better.
Malakas. Yung volume favors Kakeru pero yung impact. And he receives a left hand from Kakeru. Good.
Another up. See what these fighters will do.
Good right
Good
hand.
right hand there by Manigos.
Good right hand again by Manigos. He's spamming with that right hand and it's hitting the chin more.
Matapos nga ang umaatikabong bakbakan, umabot pa nga ang kanilang sagupaan sa kamay ng mga hurado at itinanghal nga na panalo ang ating kababayan via split decision. Si Jason Canoy nga po ang kauna-unahang nagbigay ng talo sa hapon na ito. Ano ang masasabi nyo mga idol sa naging performance dito ng ating kababayan? Paki-comment naman po ang inyong opinion. Maraming salamat po at God bless.